malaking challenge po sa ating lahat dahil ang hangarin po natin ay kung paano natin mapapalakas ang kooperatiba sa Pilipinas. At kayang-kaya po natin ito.
Regardless of its portfolio and programs, activities, projects, that cooperative can contribute not only to its social being, but also in its economic development.
Nakikita ko, no, na nandyan yung enthusiasm, yung cooperation ng bawat isa, ang kalagahan ng pagkakaisa sa sektor ay hindi pwede isantabi.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili at salamat, salamat, salamat po. Mabuhay at God bless po sa ating lahat.
Salamat po sa inyong pagdalo at sa inyong pag-join sa amin. Isa pong karangalan namin na kayo makasama namin sa umagang ito.
Our distinguished guest belongs to the roster of esteemed officials from the city of Davao.
If I'm going to come up with a meaning on it, it's all about community. One co-op federation is equated to community. For me, cooperative is not just a mere community, but it is a nurturing and nourishing community.
Natin na tayo ay lumipad, ay kung tayo sama-sama, we will just like in yung mga pigeon when they fly together, malakas po at magiging safe sa atin paglipad.